What is the best exercise to do in the morning? Whether you are a man or a woman, you do not need to perform complicated movements. But this Tai Chi routine is definitely worth trying. I'm not exaggerating. Just 10 minutes of gentle exercise helps awaken your whole body, increase calorie burn support, and belly fat loss. First exercise, 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 1, knee raise with elbow touch. Lift one knee and bring the opposite elbow down to touch the raised knee. Then switch sides. This movement increases calorie expenditure and supports overall fat loss, especially around the belly. It also improves hip mobility, coordination, and leg control as you alternate sides. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 2, cross step with arm swing. Raise both arms overhead. Then step one foot diagonally back while swinging both arms to the side. Then switch sides. This full body movement increases calorie expenditure and supports belly fat reduction. It also improves balance, hip flexibility, and waist control with each repetition. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 3, front kick with toe touch. Extend both arms out to the sides. Then kick one leg straight up and bring the opposite hand toward the toes. Switch sides and repeat the kicking movement. Increases calorie burn and supports full body fat burning. Leg strength, balance, and hamstring flexibility improve with each repetition. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 4, knee lift with side pull. Lift one knee while pulling both hands toward the same side of your body. Lower the leg. Continue in a smooth rhythm. Then switch sides. Knee lifts improve balance and help your legs feel more stable. The side pull activates your waist and keeps your whole body moving. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 5, knee raise with back leg extension. Lift one knee while reaching the same side arm overhead. Then extend the leg back and lower that arm as the opposite arm reaches overhead. Repeat the movement. Then switch sides. This full body movement increases calorie expenditure and supports belly fat reduction. It also improves balance, leg strength, and hip mobility with each repetition. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 6, cross step with arm circle. Step one foot diagonally back while circling both arms overhead. Then sweep them down to one side as your body turns. Bring your foot back in. Switch sides. Next up, and continue in a smooth rhythm. Arm and leg coordination increases calorie expenditure and supports full body fat loss. Balance, hip mobility, and waist control improve with each repetition. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 7, knee lift with arm swing. Raise both arms overhead and stand tall. Lift one knee while swinging both arms down. Then switch sides. Knee lifts improve balance and help keep your legs more stable. Next up, the continuous up and down rhythm keeps your body active and supports belly fat control. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 8, front knee stretch. Take a wide step forward and bend your front knee. Place both hands on your front knee and press down. Gently hold for 30 seconds. Then switch sides. This position strengthens your legs and supports safer, more stable walking. The deep stance opens your hips and improves lower body control. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 9, standing quad strip. Stand tall. Bend one knee back and gently hold your foot with one hand. Your thighs relax after the steady full body movements. Balance, hip mobility, and comfort in your legs improve as your breathing becomes calmer. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 11. Bring one arm across your chest and gently hold it with the other arm. Tension in your shoulders eases while your upper back and arms relax. Posture, arm mobility, and comfort through your neck improve. Behind the back arm stretch. This movement stretches your shoulders, arms, and chest after the workout. It also helps release tension in your upper body and improve shoulder mobility. Thank you for practicing with me. See you in the next Tai Chi.